Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. We're so happy to wake up with you. Flap your wings and crow out loud. Cock-a-doodle-doo, you make us proud. Stretch up high, good morning too. Stretch up high, the sky is blue. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Say good morning to friends we meet. Good morning, Mrs. Cow, moo, moo, moo. We love to start the day with you. Chewing grass beneath the tree. Moo so loud and smile with me. Good morning, little sheep, ba, ba, ba. Fluffy wool as soft as clouds afar. Jump around and skip with glee. Ba, 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 come play with me. Good morning, Mr. Horse, neigh, neigh, neigh. Let's go gallop, let's run and play. Stomp your hooves and swish your tail. Neigh, 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 down the trail. Good morning, little pig, oink, oink, oink. Roll in the mud, go boink, boink, boink. Laughing, splashing all the way. Oink, 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 hooray, hooray. Good morning, little chicks, peep, peep, peep. Wake up early, no time to sleep. Follow Rooster loud and clear. Peep, 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 we're glad you're here. Jump up high, do-do-do-do-do. Jump up high, do-do-do-do-do. Wave hello, do-do-do-do-do. Wave hello, it's morning too. One rooster crowing, cock-a-doodle-doo. Two cows mooing, moo, moo, moo. Three sheep baaing, soft and sweet. Four little pigs go oink, oink, oink. Five chicks peeping, good morning, you red rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. Brown horse neighing, how are you? White fluffy sheep, soft as snow. Pink little pigs say hello. Yellow chicks sing good morning too. Good morning, Mr. Roaster, cook-a-doodle-doo. Good morning, clap hooray. Cock-a-doodle-doo, let's start the day. Run, jump, dance, and sing along. Good morning, world, let's sing our song. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. All the animals say hello to you. Cows and pigs and sheep say hi. The sun is shining in the sky. Clap your hands, it's time to play. Good morning, friends, hooray, hooray. Wearing hits and whaley habits, the cues. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. We're so glad to sing you. The day is bright and new. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Each animal gets 30, 45 seconds. Always returning to the rooster chorus. Good morning, Mr. Cow, moo, 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 how are you? Thanks for giving milk today, we all say thank you. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning, all my friends, it's fun to sing with you. Duck, may, dog, cat, meow, meow. Here we mix in daily habits for kids, Cocomelon style. Good morning, brush your teeth, shiny, bright, and clean. Scrub-a-dub and sparkle, show your smile so keen. Wash your face, eat your breakfast, tie your shoes, pack your bag, say goodbye. Always return to the rooster chorus, in between keeping energy up. And after counting ABCs and body movement. Good morning, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbers make us happy. Learning feels alive. Good morning, sing your letters. ABC with me. Rooster crows along with us, happy as can be. Mini storytelling verses to keep attention. Good morning, little puppy, running down the lane, chasing after butterflies in the rain. Oh, soft and deep. Cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning, good night too. With friends and songs together, we say a big thank you. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. The sun is up, the sky is bright and blue. Wake up, friends, it's time to play. Good morning, it's a brand new day, new day. Can you say cock-a-doodle-doo? Wake up. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, standing tall. Cock-a-doodle-doo, you wake us all. Good morning, chickens pecking seed. Cock-a-doodle-doo, you give what we need. A cock-a-doodle-doo, clap, clap, clap. Cock-a-doodle-doo, tap, tap, tap. Cock-a-doodle-doo, jump up high, wave hello to the morning sky. Cock-a-doodle-doo, clap, clap, clap. Cock-a-doodle-doo, tap, tap, tap. Cock-a-doodle-doo, jump up high, wave hello to the morning sky. Flap your arms like a rooster. Yay, good morning, puppy, wag your tail. Woof, woof, woof on the morning trail. Good morning, kitty, meow, so sweet. Meow, 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 with tiny feet. Good morning, ducklings, quack, quack, quack. Waddle to the pond and then come back. Good morning, cow, say moo so loud. Wake up, join the crowd. Cock-a-doodle-doo, sing along. All our friends can join the song. Cock-a-doodle-doo, clap with me. Happy animals, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Daddy, time to rise. Good morning, Mommy, open your eyes. Good morning, brother, stretch up tall. Good morning, sister, wave to all. Good rise and shine. Wake up, it's breakfast time. Cock-a-doodle-doo, clap your hands. Morning fun across the lands. Good morning, red sun shining bright. Good morning, blue sky full of light. Good morning, green grass wet with dew. Good morning, yellow flowers too. Good morning, rainbow up so high. Good morning, colors fill the sky. Cock-a-doodle-doo, colors show. Everywhere we look they glow. Cock-a-doodle-doo, bright and new. Morning colors just for you. Can you point to something red, something blue? Clap your hands. The rooster crows. Stomp your feet. The morning grows. Jump up high. The sun is here. Wave hello. The day is clear. Cock-a-doodle-doo, jump around. Cock-a-doodle-doo, touch the ground. Cock-a-doodle-doo, spin and play. Dance into the brand new day. Can you spin like the rooster? Silly rooster. One silly rooster wore a hat. Another one danced with the kitty cat. One rooster giggled rolling through. Another one sang cock-a-doodle-doo.